Welcome to Kids Igbo class. Hi children, Teacher Princess here again. I am so excited because today we're learning something very interesting as always. We're learning the names of domestic animals in Igbo. Are you ready? Now we're going to head over to our video lesson to start learning, but you have to pay attention because I am coming back at the end of the video to ask you some questions and I want you to be able to answer the questions, okay? Today we're learning anumanu ụlọ. Again, anumanu ụlọ. That means domestic animals. Domestic animals are animals humans have been able to domesticate. First is the cow. We call the cow ehi. In Igbo, a cow is ehi. Can you say ehi cow? Very good. Next is the sheep. The sheep is called atụrụ. The sheep is called atụrụ in Igbo. Can you say atụrụ? Good. Next is the goose, which we call ogazi. Again, ogazi. Again, ogazi. Ogazi is the goose. Very good. Next is the horse. The horse is called Enyinna. Again, Enyinna. One more time, Enyinna. That's the Igbo name for a horse. Good. Next is the chicken called ọkụkọ. Ọkụkọ. The chicken meat is called anụ ọkụkọ. Anụ ọkụkọ. Next is the goat called ewu. The goat is called ewu. Can you say ewu? The goat is called ewu in Igbo. Next is the pig. The pig is called ezi. Ezi. A pig is called ezi in Igbo. Very good. Next is the donkey. The donkey is called Ịnyịnya Ibu, which means it carries luggages. Ịnyịnya Ibu for donkey. The donkey is called Ịnyịnya Ibu. Next is the duck. The duck is called ọbọgwụ. 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 That's what we call a duck. Next is the rabbit. The rabbit is called oke oyibo. Again, oke oyibo. Oke oyibo for rabbit. Next is the rat. The rat is called oke. This is a rat that is popular in Africa and in Nigeria. Oke. We call the rat oke. Next is the dog called nkịta. Nkịta. A dog is called nkịta in Igbo. Can you say nkịta? Next is the cat. The cat is called nwamba. Again, nwamba or busu. Some people call it busu. Nwamba or busu. Kedu ihe ịmụtara? What did you learn? Kedu ihe ịmụtara? How was that? Very interesting, I know. Have you liked? Have you shared? Did you subscribe? All right, if you haven't done so, do it now. Let's head over to our questions. I'm going to test you with a few questions to be sure that you understood and you remember what you just learned. Question number 1. What is a dog called in Igbo? What is a dog called in Igbo? A. Ehi. B. Nkita? Write the answer in the comments, and if you're not sure, go back to the video and watch it again so that you get your answers correctly. Is that okay? Question number 2. What is a horse called in Igbo? What is a horse called in Igbo? A. Inyinya. B. Okay. Which of them is the correct answer? Write it in the comments. Now, videos are very good, but if you need a structured supportive system to hold you by the hands and ensure that you actually begin to speak Igbo, to have conversations in Igbo language, then you need to come into our classroom. In our classroom at Kids Igbo class, we hold you by the hand and we work with you for 6 months. And then you find out that you're able to make sentences, to speak Igbo, and to also understand what other people say. This is something that every child needs. The link to register is right below in the description box. Click it and get enrolled. We are so eager to have you. Come on and get into class. This will be all for this week. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, don't stop speaking Igbo. Ndewo, Kodi.